Welcome. This your girl Kim. I got another haul. This box came yesterday, I think, either yesterday or the day before. But I need to open this box because I want to try some of these candles before the sale ends. This is Bath and Body Works. I think this was the last $15.95 sale, and I grabbed some of the new fall candles. Also, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up button, as well as leave me some comments. Let me know, what did you get from the candle sale or any sale that Bath and Body Works has been doing lately? Leave that in the comment area. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch all of my videos. No matter what your girl put out, you're watching. Shout out to you because you are my MVP of the channel. MVP of the channel. So yeah, receipt, advertisement for candles. Yay, shake them up, make sure ain't nothing broke. Yay, it doesn't look like it. I forgot what's this. Oh yeah, and I got some hand sanitizer in champagne, apple, and honey. This was when they were doing that hand sanitizer sale. So yeah, this was just $5. So I grabbed that. And I grabbed some candles. Why not? The first candle is pumpkin pie, pumpkin pie, pumpkin pie. The reason why I got this candle is I got a feeling it's gonna smell like the pumpkin vanilla cream candle. Since so many people has been saying that candle has changed, I got a feeling this probably is gonna be the one that they had last year. Oh my God, this is so good, y'all. The scent notes is pumpkin, vanilla, nutmeg, graham cracker crust. Wow, this is good, good, good. That's what the wicks look like, cream color. I most definitely smell that nutmeg, I smell that vanilla, and I smell that graham cracker crust. This might be a winner. This might be a winner. Winner chicken dinner. And I believe I got two. Did I get two of those? Yes, I grabbed two. Oh, I'm so happy. Let's make sure this one isn't broke. Wow, I only grabbed 4 candles, just FYI. Yes, yes, yes. Good. And I think I'm ready to like this one. And then the next one I got, spiced cranberry toffee. Spiced cranberry toffee. Look at the packaging. The scent notes is toffee, cranberries, and caramel. The lid, super cute. Look at that. Look, the pour is like crazy looking. Wow. Most definitely smell the cranberry. Love the packaging. Love the way the packaging look. That's nice. It kind of reminds me of this little thing I have over here. Look at that. Same exact thing. That's cute. This is good. I smell the cranberries, and I actually smell cranberry, and I most definitely get that caramel. Cranberry and caramel is what I'm really, really smelling. Yeah, I think this is gonna be pretty good too. So we're gonna see with those. And then the last one I have is the sweet kettle corn. Sweet kettle corn. Let's see what's up with this, you know. Super excited for this one. This is the one I really, really wanted. The scent notes in this one is pop kettle corn, caramel, and sugar and sea salt. I literally could already smell it, and I haven't even opened it yet. I can already smell this candle, and I smell like that buttery popcorn. I'm not a huge fan of popcorn. I have had kettle corn, but like I said, I don't really eat that. This smells almost like summer boardwalk, a little bit like that buttery popcorn, but it's not as sweet as summer boardwalk. And I love this light colored yellow wax. That is so nice. I love that. Wow. I might grab another one of these just because I love that buttery note in it, and I hope it do really, really good when I burn it. So far I am highly satisfied with the candles that I purchased. Like I said, I really didn't buy a whole lot of candles because these were the ones, the newer ones that was online. They did. But out of all of these, let me see. Let's see, which one is my absolute favorite? I got a feeling it's gonna be this pumpkin pie. I actually really like the jar. I love the way this jar look. I love the fact that it's just this picture sitting. It look like it's kind of, oh, okay, it's a sticker. It's a sticker. I like the way this look. I like the fact that it's just a gold cream outlined in black plain lid. I love it. I really like it. Like I said, I love the packaging. Out of all 4 of these, this is my #1 pick for its packaging. It smells so good. Most definitely smell that nutmeg in this one. The toffee one is heavy to me on the cranberry. The cranberry is the first thing that I smell when I smell this, and it smells different. It smells like cranberry, but it smells like a different cranberry. And it could be because it's blended with that toffee, and then it has the caramel in it. Like I said, the toffee, cranberries, and caramel. So that caramel is going to be that creamy part. Yeah, most definitely smell cranberries. So I think this one is going to be really good. Hopefully it throw good. And as y'all do see, these two is in the same collection. So yeah, really, really nice. I love how these really look like fall candles. Amazing, especially with the lids, with the leaves and the leaves and stuff on the packaging. It's the total wraparound. I love the fact that they're using like these neutral tones. Love that. This is really nice packaging as well. I really like this packaging. So as far as the fall candles, from what I have right now, I really like it. I really, really like it. And so far, there's no complaint with me on the scent. I think that these are probably gonna throw more than likely average, like Bath & Body Works candles normally throw. I'm hoping that this is a powerhouse. I really hope it's more like that vanilla, that pumpkin vanilla creme candle. I'm hoping. But if it's not, I could see this being a little different, because that pumpkin vanilla creme candle really do smell like pumpkin pie. So with this one being named pumpkin pie, I think the only difference might be the fact that this one has that crust note in it. The pumpkin vanilla creme candles smell almost like you're mixing the batter for the pie, whereas this one is more like the baked pie. Good. This is good. And as I said, with this one, this is very buttery. I think Summer Boardwalk is more creamy, more sweet, whereas this one is sweet but it's buttery. But most definitely could be in the same family. This is good. I like all of them. I think this is #1 for me. This is #2, and then this one is #3 out of the candles that I purchased. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Leave in the comments, let me know, what do you think about these candles? Have you smelled these candles yet? out of the ones, what is your favorite one for fall 2021? Leave that in the comments. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, and I will see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.